Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this quick video. As you've seen in the thumbnail, Mustang Week's been canceled. Sucks. You know, we can't control Mother Nature, man. So they announced today on Facebook, Friday and Saturday, they canceled it. Just for the simple fact, in case Myrtle Beach or Horry County needs to use the convention center to house people. That's one reason why, and I thought that was pretty cool of them guys to do that. So, you know, they don't want to tie up the convention center in case they need it. So that's totally understandable, man. I hope everybody has a safe journey back home that is down there. I know today they had a meet and greet at Dave & Buster's, and man, it looked like beautiful weather. But you know the old saying, guys, it's always calm before the storm. But we do have Foxtoberfest coming up in a couple weeks. I'll most definitely be at that. Of course, the Demon, she won't be there. So hopefully, since I'm not going on vacation, not positive yet, we're thinking about maybe going to the mountains for a couple of days just to get away. So if we don't go, I do plan on going to the Mustang Museum in Concord, North Carolina. They're supposed to have a meet there Friday from 10 to 5, I believe it is. And then Fox Restorations is going to have a little meet Saturday. So if I don't go out of town this week, I'll most definitely try to attend both of them, man. Be looking forward to that. So I still need to get the 2000 GT out and get her cleaned up a little bit. I'll probably do that tomorrow when I get off work, if weather permitting. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much all I got. I haven't ordered anything for the Red Demon, which sucks because, you know, I was holding off on ordering anything because we were going on vacation. But if we decide not to go on vacation to the mountains, I'll most definitely get some parts ordered this week. That way, hopefully, we'll get them, you know, next week. But yeah, guys, it sucks. It's canceled, but you know, it is what it is, man. Like I said, I hope everybody has a safe trip back home. The people that did get to go, I think a lot of people left and been there since Saturday. Today is Tuesday. I'm sure they had a blast, and you know, at least they got to go for a little while. That's the main thing, man. But you know, it is what it is, guys. So hopefully we'll get to make the little meetup at the Mustang Museum Friday. That'd be awesome. Hopefully get to meet some of you guys that watch my channel and meet some other YouTubers. I've been wanting to meet some other YouTubers for a while now. I've met a couple, but you know, still like to meet some more. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you in this video. I'm not going to Mustang Week. I'm not going to chance it because they canceled it. Another reason, you know, I have my family and my wife with me, and they're my #1 priority. So I'm not going to put their lives in danger by no means, just on kind of an event. So you know, it is what it is, guys. Like I said, once we get figured out what we're going to do, I'll get some more stuff ordered for this thing here so I can get back on it, man, because I'm ready to get this thing running, man. As you see, she ain't had a bath in about 3 years, guys, so she's looking pretty pitiful. So that's the first thing on the agenda. Once we get her running, we're gonna get her out and give her a good bath. So like I said, guys, hoping to maybe make those events that they're gonna have here in Charlotte this weekend, and I'll pick up that battery tray from Fox Restorations if I go Saturday, and that'll be one more thing on the list done. But that's all I got for you in this video, guys. I hope you guys have a safe trip back home, and the ones that did go, I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves and what little bit of time you got to spend down there. So that's all I got for you. Make sure you keep an eye out for the next video. Drop me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.